everyone, in this video I will show you how to use 4-port VNA to test insert-loose of multi-port duties. So this is a multi-port combiner. We connected the 4-port to the 4-port VNA. So first we should need to edit the test range equal to the working range of the different ports. And we allocate it to 3 channels. First, we choose the first channel and choose the choose line S21. And change the format to logMAC. Here we get a marker and use the mark search function to search the minimum value in this working range. So then the marker will tell us the minimum insert-loose value in this working range for the first port. Then we choose the second channel, which is connected to the second port. We choose the S21. Then change the format to logMAC. Then use mark function and use mark search to search the minimum value. And here we can get the minimum insert-loose value of the port 2 to port 4. Then we choose the third channel. Same steps, choose the trace line to port 3 to port 4. Then we choose the third channel which is connected to the third port. The same steps, choose the S43 trace line. Then change the format to logMAC. Add a marker. Use mark search function to search the minimum value in this working range. Then we can get the minimum insert-loose value in this working range from the port 3 to port 4. Okay, that's all. Thank you.